Yesterday we talked about one radical. Today we're going to do two radicals, and we're going to do rational exponents, which we've really already done, so that should be a review for you. All right, two radicals. Yesterday, when you have one radical, we talked about isolating the one radical, okay? If you have two radicals, it's an even easier scenario. I probably should have showed it to you yesterday. But if you have two radicals, what you want to do is get one on either side. So if I have something like this, get one on each side and then solve. So here, how would you get rid of the radicals? What do you have to raise it to the power 2? 2. So I'm going to do both sides to 2. It cancels out here. It cancels out here. It cancels out both of the radicals there. So you're just left with what's under the radicals. 2x plus 5 equals x plus 7.
Minus 7, or minus 5. Which one would you do?
All right, what you going to do? It doesn't matter to me what you want to do.
Minus 5.
Oh, I hear both. It doesn't matter.
Let's do minus 5 because the number's positive.
Okay. So now I got 2x equals x plus 2. What you going to do now? Minus what? X.
So it's x equals 2.
It's solved.
That's crazy. That's all you got to do.
Wait, so where's
Two radicals is easy. No, I'm going to show you the exponents. But we've already done the exponents. Oh my gosh, Bryce, we've already done the exponents. It's not that hard.
Just do everything all together. Because you be going here, here.
I am.
Here's the big problem.
Say again. Because I subtracted 5 from both sides. 7 minus 5 is 2.
No, where did it go? Minus x.
Minus x, the x's go away. The 2 was already there. 2x minus x. Oh, 2x minus 1x leaves you 1x. Again, we've already done this, but I want to talk about it one more time because this is really what today's about. That was radical. Yesterday was radicals. Today is rational exponents. So if I have something like x plus 2 to the 3/4 minus 1 equals 7. Same kind of concept, okay? I'm going to get that piece that's got the exponent hooked to it. I'm going to get it isolated. Just like before, I isolated the radical piece. Now I'm going to isolate the exponent piece. So that means everything that's in parentheses with the exponent hooked to it is the piece that has the exponent hooked to it isolated. In other words, I'm talking about all of this.
No, you got
Is it by itself on one side? No. What's over on that side with it? That -1. Does everybody see it? You see that, Bryce?
No, you
Look at this side of the equal sign.
Yep.
This is the exponential piece that's circled in blue.
Yep.
It's not by itself because there's also a -1 over here.
Yep.
So I got to get rid of that and get it by itself.
So you got to add 1.
So you got to add 1.
It's going to be x plus 2 to the third one equals 8.
Yes. Once you have it by itself, okay, we have to get rid of that exponent. And we did this before. What do you do?
You put it on both sides. Flip.
The reciprocal. Flip the exponent on both sides. No.
So it'd be 8 4/3?
So not 8 and 4/3, it's an exponent now, Brady. So here, 4/3, and here 4/3.
That's what you just said. I'm just.
Well, it's not 8 and 4/3, it's 8 to the 4/3. That's different.
That's the same thing.
No, it's not. Okay, look, left side, it cancels. Now use your calculator. 8. That's right. Use your calculator to find this value.
So it'd be X.
That is correct, Diamond. Good job. Kind of what? Easy? Hard? Confusing?
It's easy.
All right. Brady made us up a problem. X to the 4/3 equals what?
What?
16?
Yeah.
Did you say how would you solve that?
Yeah, how would you do
All
that?
right. Is the exponential piece isolated?
I don't know what that means.
Is the everything that's associated with the exponent on one side all by itself?
Yes.
Yes.
He's got a flip.
So now I gotta raise it to the flip.
I was wondering how you got 16 out of 8. How did 8?
Because you did 8 and then did the exponent 4 divided by 3.
Oh, you're back on this problem over here.
So the X would be it.
This, if you put it in your calculator this way, you get 16. Remember, because it's the third root of 8, which is 2 to the 4th power. All right, but anyway, back to this one because we'll still do it anyway. This is going to be raised to the 3/4. And it's gone here. So now you put 16 to the 3/4 on your calculator, and what do you get?
8.
8. 16.
Whoa.
I have to do it like a scratch card. 16 to the, what was it, 3/4? 3 divided by 4.
You got a scratcher.
I don't know why it does that when it's been sitting a while.
It's not sick though.
Do it again.
That's it.
No, do the thing.
That's all the buttons are there now.
I know, erase it.
I can't. It's like a glitch in the system. It's not like it's supposed to be like that. Okay. One more.
Is that homework?
One more.
Let's get this going.
Let me show you one that doesn't have a parentheses. Let's say I have negative 2/3 x to the 1/5 equals negative 2. Is the exponential piece isolated?
No.
No. Okay?
Yes.
No, it's not because of the 2/3 in front. Okay? Now, this is different. If it has parentheses, if it was like this, then it would be isolated.
Alright, so what if it was 2/3, 1/5?
That doesn't matter. We're only going to have the exponent on the variable like that. We won't have it on the first number that way. A fraction could have it, yeah. But how do we get rid of a fraction like that? Multiply by, flip it. That's right. So I'm going to do negative 3/2. Now here's where don't get confused. Here, I'm multiplying, not exponentiating.
So why don't you do the exponent?
I'm going to do that next. There were no parentheses here. It was different. This would give you 6/2, which is 3. Put it on your calculator if you get confused. Now, what?
What's the main thing that I need to do? If it's all isolated on this side, it's no problem. Then I can put
Get rid of that exponent.
I got
Yep.
it.
Yep.
Alright, so if there is something on that side and it's not isolated, what I gotta do?
Then you have to isolate it. That was that first one we looked at. There was something hooked to it. This one. See the one? This hooked to it? I had to move it first. You're still doing SAD math.
Oh, that's it.
That's it.
Oh, so that's it.
All right, back to this one. One more step to finish if it'll let me go back. All right, how do I get rid of the exponent? Flip it.
Flip it.
5/1. So what's x? 243. Easy?